I'm Joe Barton from Ramp, the Dennis Advertising Agency, with your Monday Morning Marketing Minute. Today, I want to talk about media contracts. One thing you should never do with a radio station, TV station, cable station, any station, is sign an annual contract for a couple of reasons. One is normally these contracts come with packages, and the packages have a lot of spots included on them, which turns out to overall have a low spot rate, but it's not very efficient. It's about being effective. The other reason is if something isn't working after a couple of months, you need the flexibility to be able to cancel that. That's why, as an advertising agency, we have the ability to cancel with 2 weeks' notice. So should you. Make sure you get a cancellation policy in any agreement that you place. To learn more about Ramp, go to rampresults.com or give me a call at 1-800-620-RAMP. Ramp.